ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಡೈಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in manufacturing technology, last model, computer numerical controller. Okay, this one very important. Okay, here by how you know how to manufacturing the components by using traditional machining process and non-traditional machining process. By using computer numerical controller, you can manufacturing any components. Okay, anybody seen computer numerical controller machine? CNC machine. Anybody?
No,
No,
sir.
Okay. In our college, one mission is there. Simple mission. When you coming to college, okay, that time I will show that simple machine, computer numerical controller. Okay. In both traditional and non-traditional machining process, without any computer, you can manufacturing the all components. But here CNC, computer numerical controller, by using computer, you can manufacturing the any component. Suppose you go for a traditional machine. Hello.
The screen visible illa, sir.
Now, one second. Now visible.
Yes, sir.
In traditional, you go for any lathe operation, drilling operation, milling operation. By using manual, you can manufacturing the any components or any products. Suppose you go for lathe machine. Okay, you go for turning and pacing operation. You can use one single point cutting tool. Suppose you go for knurling and thread cutting operation, you can change the tool. It takes maximum time to replace the any tools. So here in computer numerical controller, at a time more than six different tools are attached in tool post. Okay, by the application or by means of a program, automatically the tools will be changes. Okay, there is no need to change the tool for different operation. Okay, the computer only change the tool in tool post. At a time more than six tools are already fixed. Okay, already fixed. That is the main reason. The computer only change the tool. Depends upon the operation. You go for turning and pacing operation, the computer it change the tool for single point cutting tool. Suppose you go for thread cutting operation, automatically the tool post will be changed the V type of tool. Go for knurling operation, automatically change the tool. Okay, in the six different hexagonal shape of tool post is present. Okay, in one phase they can in one phase they can mounted one single tool. Second phase they can mounted some other tool. Third phase like that. In hexagonal shape of tool post they can mounted six different cutting tools are mounted. Okay, suppose you go for turning and facing operation, automatically single point cutting tool will be present. You go for thread cutting operation, V type of tool is present in tool post, hexagonal tool post. Okay, automatically the tool will be rotated or change the tool. Okay, like that computer only change the tool. But manually you go for traditional machining process, manually you can change the maximum time to change the tool. Rigidly fixed the tool in tool post and according to the center axis of the specimen or center axis of the lathe, you can okay, it takes maximum time. Okay, this is the process of manufacturing by using computer numerical controller. Here two different methods are there. One is numerical controller, one more is computer numerical controller. First of all, numerical. What is mean by numerical controller? A numerical controller always denoted by capital N and capital C. How to define a numerical controller? It can be defined as a form of programmable automation in which the process is controlled by numbers, letters, and symbols. In NC numerical controller, the number of forms program instructions designed for a particular work part or job. Okay, in numerical controller, by means of numbers, letters, and symbols, sometimes we can use it. Suppose you go for any angle. Okay, in that time you can theta, you can use it. Okay, that one call it as a symbol. Okay, like that, by using symbols, numbers, and letters, you can prepare the program according to the desired shape and size. Okay, in that time, once you prepare the program according to the shape and size, automatically finally you get the desired shape and size. Okay, depends upon the design. Okay, you can prepare the program. Okay, then when the job changes, the program of instruction is changed. Okay, once one component or any component design or dimensions are different, you go for some other component. Okay, that dimensions also change. According to dimensions, you can change the program. Okay, change the program also you can change. This capacity will be change program for each new job. Okay, is what gives NC flexibility. Okay, for different component, different dimensions are there. Okay, diameter, length, width, okay, is different for different jobs or different components. According to that, you can type the program. Here in computer, sorry, numerical controller, what type of codes you can use it. Here both M codes and G codes you can use it. See here, example, G00, X0, Y0, Z0. G is the letter, 00 is the number, X, Y, Z are the letters. Okay, here you can use both letters as well as the number. Sometimes you can use some symbols. Okay, G00, X0, Y0, nothing but G00, nothing but the tool is in stationary condition. Okay, there is no movement of tool, either right or left or downward or upward direction. Okay, G00, nothing but the tool is stationary condition. Then X0, Y0, Z0 means, okay, you can consider X, Y, Z direction. Okay, all X, Y, Z direction coincide with one point. That particular point is called as origin. Okay, X0 means there is no movement of along X direction. The tool is in 0 dimensions. Along Y direction also, the tool is in yeah. Along Y direction also, the tool is in 0. Along Z direction also, the tool is in 0. It means that the tool is present in origin, exactly origin. Okay, that tool is in origin. In that time, you can use X0, Y0, Z0. Okay, Z0, 0, nothing but the tool is stationary condition. There is no movement of the tool in any direction. Here G00, nothing but the tool is in stationary condition. But what is the use of X0, Y0, Z0? Suppose what is the use of X0, Y0, Z0? G00, nothing but the tool is in stationary condition only. Then what is the use of X0, Y0, Z0? Suppose the tool along X direction at a distance of 10 mm from origin. In that time, the tool is in stationary. The tool is in stationary condition. But we want any program, you can start with the tool is start with origin 0 only. That's why you can use X0, Y0, Y0, Z0. Okay, Z0, 0, nothing but the tool in any direction or any direction or any distance, the tool is in stationary condition. That time you can use G00. Suppose you start with any program, either facing, turning, or milling operation. the tool is start with the origin O or origin 0 only. Okay, that's why we can use X0, Y0, Z0 only. Okay, this is the simple definition of numerical controller. Okay, the definition, how to define numerical controller means it is a programmable automation in which the process is controlled by, okay, the program or the operation is performed by using numbers, letters and symbols. Okay, in the numbers form program by using symbols and numbers and letters, you can prepare the one program according to the shape and size of the component. Okay, once you prepare the program, okay, that program is typed in a computer. Once you run the program, automatically that computer is connected to the CNC or NC machine. Okay, numerical controller or computer numerical controller. Okay, automatically the according to program, the machine is perform the operation, either taper turning, thread cutting operation, knurling operation. Okay, that particular process is closed inside the chamber. Okay, you go for lathe machine. Okay, that one exposed to atmospheric temperature or room temperature. But in CNC or NC computer numerical controller or numerical controller, that operation is performed in closed chamber. Okay, along in all direction, that one machine is closed by means of some glass, because so many chips are formed. Okay, the according to the program, the operation is, speed is very more. Okay, according to that speed and according to the program, maximum amount of chips are formation. Okay, due to that chips are dangerous for human. Okay, that is the main reason they can closed in a one chamber. That chamber is closed by means of some glass. Sometimes they can because that one visible. Okay, how to perform the operation. Okay, that one always visible for human. Okay, next. Uh, Motions, NC motion control system. Okay, here three different motions are there. First one is point to point, second one is straight cut, third one is contour cutting. Okay, here motion means the movement of the tool from one point to another point. Okay, here first one is point to point contact or point to point cutting. Second one straight cut. Third one is contour. Suppose you go for manufacturing any irregular shape or intricate shape, in that time you go for contouring shape. Suppose the cutting or the operation is in straight manner, in that time you go for second method. Okay, straight cutting. Suppose point to point, one point maximum amount of material you can remove, some other point minimum amount of material, in the third point only medium amount of material, in that time you go for point to point cutting operation. Okay, here three different motions are there: point to point, straight cutting and contouring shapes. Okay, first one, point to point. How to manufacturing from point to point? See here one diagram is there. Here this one x direction, y direction and z direction. Suppose z0 0 x0 y0 z0 means the tool is in exactly origin condition. Once you type the program, okay, along x direction, here to here, origin to x direction, some distance is there. Okay, this rectangular shape. Okay, you can consider distance from x direction at a distance of 10 mm. Along y direction also 10 mm is there. Okay, in that time z001 x10 y10. Okay, it means that z001 means the tool is moving in which direction? Along x direction 10 mm and along y direction 10 mm. Okay, in that time exactly left side bottom of the rectangular corner the tool is present. Okay, the tool is moving along x direction and along with the y direction at a distance of 10 mm from both x and y direction. In that time the tool is present or moving from origin O0 to this bottom of the rectangular corner. Okay, then inside the rectangular plate you can drill the holes. Okay, suppose here 3 different holes are there. Okay, this one point to point. Okay, first hole is in some different point, second hole is in a different point, third hole is in different point. Okay, this type of cutting operation is performed by means of point to point contact. Okay, first hole to second hole. Okay, the material is in there is no material is removed, only we can drill the holes. Suppose you go for producing any holes, in that time you go for point to point of motion or cutting operation. Okay, here suppose the in a rectangular box, the first hole is along x direction again 10 mm, y direction 10 mm. Okay, Z001 x direction 10 mm, y direction you can 10 mm you can give. Along z direction means without once the tool is moving, you can give Z0 means that tool is contact with particular workpiece. In that time the tool is moving from one point to another point, some amount of material is removed, because you can give Z0. Z0 means the tool is moving up and downward direction. You can give Z minus 5 or minus negative values. In that time the tool is moving upward direction. Suppose you can give Z direction positive values, in that time the tool is moving towards downward direction. Audible? Hello?
Audible, sir.
So x direction means the tool is moving x direction, y direction. Z direction means the tool is moving upward direction as well as the downward direction. When you move upward direction means along z direction you can give negative values. Suppose z minus 5, z minus 10. In that time the tool is moving upward direction. Suppose you can give positive values, in that time the tool is moving towards downward direction. Suppose example z plus 10, z plus 20. In that time the tool is moving towards downward direction. Here in first hole, along x direction 10 mm distance and along y direction 10 mm distance is there. Okay, once you give the x Z001, x10, y10, z minus 5 or minus 10 you can give. Suppose you can give Z0 means in that time both tool as well as the workpiece both are contact with each other. In that time the tool removes small amount of material. Okay, that is the main reason. Always the tool is moving one point to another point. In that time you can give negative value. Okay, z minus 5 or minus 10 you can give. Okay, once the tool is in exactly first hole condition, exactly present in near the first hole, in that time again you go for next step. Okay, Z001, x10, y10 you can give z depends upon the depth of the plate. Okay, suppose the 10 mm depth of plate is there, this one rectangular plate, you can give z plus 10. Okay, in that time automatically the hole is created. Again after completion of this hole, again you go for next step. Okay, Z001, x10, y10, z minus 5. Then in that time the after completion of hole the tool is moving upward direction. Again you go for next hole, producing the next hole. Okay, like that you can producing the any holes in any direction or any dimensions. Okay, like any doubts? This type of operation is called as a point to point motion or point to point cutting operation. Any doubt? Okay, this point to point motion is always we go for any producing holes or drilling the holes. In that time you can consider point to point operation. Next one, straight cut numerical controller. Okay, straight cutting. Here also same one rectangular piece is there. Inside the rectangular plate, okay, we want some hollow shape. Hollow shape means some material is removed. Okay, continuously you can cut the material. Okay, see here also same rectangular plate. that you can consider x, y, z direction. Once first you can give x z00, x0, y0 means the exactly the tool is in horizon condition. The rectangular plate at a distance of x 10 mm, example 20 mm, y direction 20 mm or y direction 15 mm sometimes. Okay, depends upon the dimension. You can give the values. Then the tool is move near the bottom left side corner. Okay, after the movement of the tool, bottom of the left side corner, here inside the rectangular plate you can remove small amount of material, sometimes the maximum amount of material. Okay, like a hollow shape rectangular plate you can prepare. In that time, continuously the material is removed from one point to another point. Here you can give x G001, x 10 mm, y 10 mm. Okay, in that time the tool is moving origin bottom of the corner to towards inside the rectangular plate. In that time the tool is continuously removes the amount. Okay, here feed also very important. Feed means suppose in traditional machining process by using lathe machine, layer by layer you can remove the material from workpiece. Here also same, once you give the maximum amount of feed, okay, the tool will be going to failure or break, because the speed of the machine is more. Okay, by means of motor the tool is rotated or moving the tool from one point to another point. Okay, here also same, by using program or by using computer, you can remove the material layer by layer. Okay, suppose you can remove the material 10 mm or 5 mm. In that time, first layer 1 mm you can give, second layer 2 mm, third layer 3 mm. Like that depends upon the material. This one you can give the feed. Okay, here continuously the material is removed. Okay, this type of operation is performed by using a straight cutting numerical controller. Okay, next one, contour shape. Okay, contouring shape. Okay, the in point to point and straight cutting, the tool is moving straight, but we want intricate shape or irregular shape. In that time the tool is moving in according to the dimensions or design shape of the component, the tool also moving. Here, see here this diagram, the in present. Okay, the tool also moving according to the shape. Okay, in that time you can use it contouring motion. Okay, these are all three different motions are present in numerical controller. Okay, any doubts? Try when you consider straight or when you consider point to point, when you consider contouring shape. Okay, depends upon the size and shape of the component, you can select the motion of the controller. Okay, but according to this one, traditional machining process, okay, the tool is in moving both x direction as well as the y direction. Okay, irregular shapes of the component, this type of shape very difficult to manufacturing by using lathe machine, because the tool only moving x direction as well as y direction. Okay, there is no movement in different direction. Okay, direction. Okay, that's why very difficult to manufacturing irregular shapes by using traditional machining process. You go for in non-traditional machining process also sometimes very difficult to manufacturing this type of component or this type of shapes. Okay, by using CNC machines, the tool is moving along three directions, X, Y, Z direction. Easily you can manufacturing the component, any irregular or intricate shapes of components. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Then some limitations of the numerical controller. Okay, different disadvantages of numerical controller. First one, relatively higher cost compared to the manual version. Suppose you go for traditional machining process or a lathe machine. Okay, the investment cost is beginning maximum. Only you can purchase the lathe machine. Okay, for maintenance cost is different. Maintenance cost means suppose you go for any operation, sometimes the tools or brakes are failure. In that time, you can go for the grinding the tool, or you can change the tool. That one maintenance cost. Investment cost means you can buy the machine, entire machine. Okay, that one investment cost. Okay, maintenance cost and investment cost is less compared to computer numerical control CNC machines. Okay, in CNC machine, investment cost and maintenance cost also very high compared to traditional machining process. How means here we can use a computer. One computer is required. Then the entire machine operation is performed in a closed chamber. In that time, the machine cost also more. Here we are using some lubricant. Okay, in the lathe machine, you go for sometimes only rare case we can use lubricant because we can give only less amount of feed or less amount of depth of cut you can give. According to that one, only rare condition you can use some lubricants. But in CNC controller, in any case you can use in all condition or all operation you can use lubricants are very important. Okay, that lubrication cost also more. Then need for skilled part programs. Okay, only skilled labor is perform type the program because okay, the program is in letters and numbers according to shape and size of the component. You can type the program. Okay, always here need some skilled labor. Then complicated maintenance. Okay, maintenance cost is more because some lubricants are used. Sometimes once you can type the program, okay, that program is incorrect. Any programs in that time the tool is damaged or failure. Okay, here there is no sharpening the tools. Okay, once the tool is failure or break, you can change the tool. Then skill and training are required for programming the programming and maintenance. Any higher skilled labor is required. Okay, for typing the program and maintenance. Then parts are imported from the CNC parts is not available nearby the any industry. Okay, that one imported from some other place. Okay, suppose you go for lathe machine, any components or any parts are failure. Okay, nearby the industry, the easily available that particular components. Then tooling cost. Okay, the cost of the tools are very high compared to traditional machining process. Okay, these are all some disadvantages of numerical controller. Next one, computer numerical controller. Okay, CNC. Okay, computer numerical controller is the continuous version or continuous of the numerical controller. Okay, before find the computer numerical controller. Okay, first they can find out numerical controller, then they can use the they can okay, first they can introduce numerical controller. Again, by means of numerical controller, they can use it by means of computer, typing the programs, and they can execute the program. And according to the program, they can manufacturing in computer numerical controller. Okay, CNC nothing but computer numerical controller. This one also same. It is a programmable operation or programmable operation and programmable uh, manufacturing any component. Okay, is the general term used for a system which control the function of machine tool using the coded instruction processed by the computer. Okay, here also same, by using programs, the computer only change the tools and computer only execute the program. Okay, depends upon the program, the machine performs the different operation. Okay, numerical controller integrated computer controller includes one or more microprocessor mini computers. Okay, numerical controller also they can use the computer in CNC also they can use the computer. Only it includes some microprocessor in computer. Okay, the logic function or program the control compresses a part program that is stored in a memory. Suppose in you go for a traditional machining process, okay, for same component, okay, so already you know 10 members manufacturing same dimensions of the component. Okay, suppose 10 components, same dimensions of the component is manufacturing single person or single labor. In that time, once you complete the first operation, then you go for second part or second operation only. Okay, at that time, very difficult to manufacturing all the components or all the operation. Suppose you go for computer numerical controller, I want same dimensions and same shape of the component, more than 2 or more than 3 or sometimes 100 components. In that time, once you type the program according to the dimensions and according to the shape of shape and size of the component, that particular program is stored inside the computer. Okay, once completion of first part, then you go for second component, manufacturing second component. In that time, no need to type the program. Okay, already the program is stored in the computer only. Same program you can execute for next second component. Suppose you go for third one, okay, same program you can use it for third one also. Like that, you can manufacturing any more than 2 different components by using single program. But you go for a traditional machining process, in at a time only in single operation or single component you can manufacturing or perform the operation. Okay, after completion of that operation or that component, then you go for next operation or next component. But here no need to any programs, for repeated programs are not required. Okay, same dimension and same shape and size of the components, only single program is required to perform any operation or any component. Then features of CNC machinery. The tool or material moves. How to, what type of tool is used, and how to remove the material, unwanted material from the workpiece. Tool can operate in 1 to 5 axis. Okay, the tool is in traditional machining process or lathe machine, the tool is moving only X and Y direction. In computer numerical controller, the tool is in moving along 5 different axes or 5 different directions. Larger machine have a machine control unit. Okay, you go for any larger CNC machine, MCU is there. MCU nothing but machine control unit. Okay, that one is present, which manages the all operations. Okay, MCU. What is the use of MCU? Means suppose you go for manufacturing any complicated or larger component. In that time, the MCU unit or mission control unit, okay, it manages the all different operations. Movement is controlled by motor. Okay, the motor is also called it as the actuator. The tool is moving one point to another point or one direction to another direction. That one controlled by actuator. Okay, actuator or motor. Feedback is provided by sensor. Okay, here some sensors are used. Okay, that sensors also call it as a transducers. Tool magazines are used to change tool automatically. Here, hexagonal shape of tool post is there. In all different faces, different tools are mounted. Okay, the MCO unit only change the tool automatically depends upon the operation. Okay, you go for turning and pacing operation, they can change the tool, single point cutting tool they can change. You go for knurling operation, automatically MCO unit change the knurling tool. Then you go for thread cutting operation, V type of tool automatically changes. Okay, here some different elements in CNC machine. Okay, input device is there here in this input device. Mission control unit, then display unit is there. Driving system is there. Mission tool, feedback. Okay, here feedback also very important because this one performed in a closed chamber. In the time after completion of operation, once again. Completion of operation, the tool is not visible. Okay, in that time the tool is moving condition only. In that time, by using the sensors, the sensor sends the signal to control unit. Okay, MCO unit. In that time, the MCO unit stop the movement of the tool. Okay, these are all some elements present in CNC machine, computer numerical controller. Okay, input device, nothing but some program. Here MCO unit is there. In that MCO unit, okay, data is stored. Okay, control loop unit is there. Okay, control loop unit means depends upon the operation, the speed of the tool movement also very important. So in a traditional machining process, the workpiece is rotated and the tool is moving X or Y direction. In computer numerical controller, the tool is moving along 5 different direction and workpiece is in stationary condition. Okay. In a traditional lathe machine, the tool is rotated along their axis, but in computer numerical controller, the tool is in stationary condition. You go for any operation, either thread cutting operation, pacing operation, turning operation. In that time, the workpiece is stationary condition. Tool is moving along 5 different axes or directions. Then display unit. Okay, in display unit means in computer. Okay, the operation is visible. Okay, that is the use of display unit. Some applications of CNC machines. Parts with complicated contours, any irregular or contour shapes, you can easily manufacturing by using the computer numerical controller. By go for traditional machining process or lathe machine, very difficult to prepare the contour or irregular shape of components because the tool is moving only 2 different directions. But in CNC machines, the tool is moving 5 different axes or 5 different directions. Easily you can manufacturing any shapes of components. Easily you can manufacturing. Parts requiring close tolerance and are good repeatability. Okay, here in CNC, computer numerical controller, you can maintain 100% tolerance. Okay, suppose I want 100 mm diameter and 200 mm length. Okay, the raw material is 105 or 110 mm diameter to 10 mm length. Okay, according to that particular dimensions only you can type the program. Finally, you get the same dimensions of the component. Okay, you can maintain good tolerance. Suppose you go for a traditional machining process, each and every layer very difficult to layer. A small amount of material is removed. Each and every layer removal of material you can by using vernier caliper. You can change check the diameter and length of the component. But here, according to the shape and size and dimensions of the component, you can type the program easily produce same shape and size of the component. 100% accuracy or 100% tolerance you can maintain. Parts requiring expensive jigs and pictures if produced on conventional machines. Okay, here jigs and pictures are there. In traditional machining process, the tool is fixed inside the tool post. The specimen is fixed inside the jaw. Okay, jaw, the 3 jaw check and 4 jaw checks are call it as jigs. pictures nothing but the tools are mounted on any tool post by means of some other materials. You can adjust the tool along the center of the lathe axis. Okay, this type of jigs and pictures in CNC emissions also you can use it. Sometimes depends upon the operation. Parts that may have several engineering changes, such as during the development stage of a prototype. Here, so in CNC, any you go for manufacturing complicated shape of a component. Complicated shape of the dimensions of the components are very large. Okay, suppose without any prototype model, okay, very difficult to manufacturing larger component. Once you manufacturing larger components, suppose the any dimensions will be changes, either decrease the dimensions according to the shape and size. In that time, entire component will be wastage. So that's why first you go for prototype model or development stage model before going to manufacturing larger component. Here, by using CNC machine, according to that particular program shape and size, you can type the program. Then once you execute or manufacturing the prototype model, then you go for that one is correct according to program. That one 100% accuracy is present in that particular prototype model. Then you go for manufacturing the larger component or any irregular components. Suppose without prototype model, you can develop or manufacturing the complicated shapes. Suppose very difficult to maintain 100% accuracy. In that term, entire material is waste. The cost also more. Okay, that is the mean to reduce the material wastage and reduce the cost. First you can manufacturing prototype model. Then you go for manufacturing the larger or any other shape of component. So in cases where human errors could be extremely costly, suppose you can type the any incorrect program. In that time, entire component will be wastage. Okay, that is the main reason here skilled labor is required to type the program and execute or run the program. Parts that are needed in hurry. Any components or any parts are damaged when execute the program or perform the operation. Okay, that individual parts are available within shorter time. Okay, small batch lot or short production runs. Here, small batch lots means suppose the same shapes and same dimensions of the components, more than 2, 3 or within 10 components, that one call it as the small batches. Suppose more batch nothing but any same shape and same size of the components, more than 100 components, that one call it as a more batch. Okay, this type of components, any small batch or a small size or a small batch components are manufacturing within shorter time. Okay, these are all some applications of CNC machines. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Others?
No doubt, sir.
Here they can 100% they can ask one complete program in exam. Okay. According they can give one dimensions. According to dimensions, you can type the program. Okay, how to write the program according to shape and size. Here one programs are there, simple components. Okay, these are all some G codes and M codes. Okay, this one M00 nothing but program stop M01 nothing but optional stop, program stop M03, M04, M05. Okay, these are all some M codes you can use. Some G codes, G00 nothing but rapid positioning. Positioning means there is no movement of the tool from any direction. G01, G02 up to G95 is there. Okay, depends upon the operation. You can use these G codes and M codes. Next, see here, this one component, step turning operation. Okay, the 20 mm diameter, second step 14, third step is 10 mm. First dimension step length is 10, second step length is 20, third step length is 20. Okay, see here, according to this particular shape, you can prepare the program. Okay, here this much program is required to perform this particular operation. N0010, G21, G98. Okay, this type. See here this type of components are so easily manufacturing by this simple program. Okay, then here are some walls. Okay, this type of shapes very easily you can manufacturing. See here, your names also very easily prepared by means of CNC program in any rectangular plate or square type of plates. Okay. Next class I will explain how to write the program. Depends upon the dimensions and depends upon the shape. Okay, next class I will explain. Any doubts means you can ask.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಸರ್ TM ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
TM ಇದು ಏನೋ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ಸಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೀನ, ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ ನೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಇದು ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸರಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹುಡುಗರು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್.